So, what is the best crypto exchange platform in Zambia? Well, there's no other than KeithFX. So, KeithFX.com is actually my platform where I provide crypto exchange services. But not only that, it's simply an e-currency exchange website where you can actually exchange almost anything. So, the good part about my platform is that you can not only buy and sell crypto, you can actually buy and sell a lot of e-wallet funds that you can actually not easily get in Zambia. For example, we all know that PayPal is not fully available in Zambia. Like you can only use PayPal to make payments, but you can never receive and you can never withdraw. But with my help of my platform, that's not a problem at all. It's something which is possible and it's something that people actually do use. So this is my platform, my website. So you can actually exchange anything from AstroPay, Bitcoin, Payoneer, PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, USDT, Zazo, and other stuff. So this is an all-in-one platform that you can actually use to exchange almost anything, and it's fast. All you need to do is simply create an account, okay, and exchange. That's it, and you're good to go. So give it a try. The link is in the description. Bye for now. This is Keith.